Most startups don't fail because of bad ideas, they fail because founders build things no one actually wants. If you want to save time, energy, and money, stop guessing and start testing. Here's how to build a startup the smart way. Step 1. Start small. Don't aim for perfect. Build the simplest version of your idea that real people can use. This is your minimum viable product, MVP. It's not about cutting corners, it's about learning fast. Your MVP might be a landing page, a basic app, or even a prototype. The goal? Get it out, and get feedback. Step 2. Measure what matters. After launch, don't get distracted by likes or downloads. Measure real behavior. Do people come back? Do they pay? Do they tell others? Focus on what actually matters, not what looks good. Step 3. Learn and adjust. Once you have feedback, learn from it. If it works, great. If not, pivot. That means changing your product, your customer, or your approach. The faster you learn, the less you waste. Step 4. Repeat the cycle. Here's the core loop: build, measure, learn, repeat. Every round helps you improve your product and your odds of success. This cycle keeps you focused, fast, and flexible. Step 5. Grow the right way. There are 3 ways to grow a product: sticky, people keep coming back; viral, users bring more users; paid, you pay to get users profitably. Figure out which engine drives your growth, then lean into it. Bonus: fix the root cause. When something goes wrong, don't just fix the surface. Ask why 5 times. You'll often find the real issue is deeper, in the process, not just the outcome. Solve the root problem to avoid repeating it. Closing. Startups are hard, but they don't have to be blind. Start small. Track what matters. Learn quickly. Pivot smart. The best founders aren't the ones who get everything right. They're the ones who adapt faster than the rest. Call to action. If this helped you rethink your startup strategy, give it a like and subscribe. Got an MVP story or pivot experience? Share it in the comments, I'd love to hear it.